Good morning.
Hello.
So we've come for a day trip. It's about an hour's drive through some roads that had cows, dogs and monkeys.
Yeah, it was, we decided not to take the toll, so it's a bit windier, but it still wasn't too bad.
Yeah, so we have come to Tangun Tuan, or Cape Radacho.
Richardo, apparently it's Portuguese, so that's my guess, but...
Yeah. So it's like a peninsula area near Port Dickson, which has got a recreational forest on it. It's really nice. We've already seen lots of monkeys.
Yeah, it's really...
So there's short walks you can do, so viewpoints and to the lighthouse, but we're going to try and loop around the peninsula and do like a 6k walk because we haven't been outside much.
Yeah. But yeah, no, we'll bring you along, show you anything that's interesting, but yeah, go from there.
Yeah. We're on a main path.
Hi.
Quite a steep hill to start with the lighthouse on it, but we're going to go to Monkey Bay first. But it's nice. It's a nice cool temperature today, so it means, and we're actually out early. Well, early for us. It's like 11? Half 11.
Half 11, but it took an hour to drive
Yeah.
here. And it was raining this morning,
Yeah.
so we kind of wanted to give it a minute.
Yeah, really nice. And it's quiet because it's during the week.
So that's our first walkway, which is quite steep and muddy. So Alex and I are going to go put on boots because we're both... Yeah, it's not worth it. We brought boots. We're going to shove them on and then go up the hill again. You got this.
In the jungle.
Hello. It's definitely jungly. Definitely mosquito filled. Yeah, I know. I'll give you an idea of what we have to walk through. Yeah. Well, we made it to the top. She's there. It's a nice view. Yeah. Worth the little trundle.
David.
Hello. Definitely not a bad view. Not a bad place for a lunch stop. we got for a snack today? Crisps. What flavour we got? We got hot and spicy flavoured crisps.
And then drink.
Little chiffon in a cup, which is pandan flavour. Cookies. Standard hiking stuff. We're going to introduce you to our new friends. Lots and lots of ants.
More carrying things.
Lots and lots of ants. They go all the way
All the way down that.
there. Ant corridor. There's a lot of ants. There's been a pile up. So we made it to the lighthouse. Lighthouse. It's up there. So Alex and I were walking. We heard this droning sound, along with all the bugs, birds, general wildlife noises. And I had no idea what it was. It's the lighthouse. It's the radar dish spinning. There you go. That's what the noise is. That'll do. If I do it like that. Just be heads, but
Hi.
hey, we made it to the lighthouse.
Yeah, so we think we're going to leave it there for today. You can go round to the other viewpoint and round to another beach and back, but I don't think we need to.
I'm tired.
We're going to go down the road to the car and then try and find the beach, go for a swim, and then we've got an hour drive back anyway, so
Whoop whoop. See you in a bit.
yeah, good climb.
So Alex and I may not actually go for a swim because
Yeah, that's the difference.
it doesn't look that inviting. It looks nice, but we've had
It's not a blue lagoon, is it? It's called.
no, it's not a blue lagoon. It's called, and we've had such like spoiled beaches recently.
Yeah,
You
it's
kinda like-
very seaweedy.
I think we'll give it a miss. Hey, bud.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
So we've had a very chill day today after a long hike yesterday. So we're just going to go out to a local coffee shop, get a coffee, and then maybe do a bit of shopping.
Yeah. And yeah. Come on. So we're at the lake. Ordered some flat whites. That's really cute. What we got? Fairy Tale, Dragon Ball,
Oh no! Good morning! So we've come for a nice little walk at a place called Three-D.N.A. There's lots of these little parks everywhere for all the new estates, but gives us somewhere to wander.
Something to do.
Quite nice. Water. Lots of tracks. There's like a skate park and stuff there. And it's really hot, so Dave's given me his. So we made it up to the top of the side. Not a bad view.
Pretty.
And there's a nice other bit of park and walk in here.
That's good.
Managed to get a value meal as well. So we've got ribs and dessert with soup and noodles